guys, good morning. Hello guys, good morning. My husband is so put like this. Yes, so today is Lakota Saint Day and we are going to celebrate outside. Huh, Daddy?
Yeah.
Her grandfather gifted her an experience to go to a place where she can jump and play. All of us guys all of us are going there. The four of us, I mean. Yes, and they are so excited already. Hello, we are now in the car and we are
in the world.
and we are going out already, guys. So hubby is driving.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
And it is a beautiful day.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get so good, so full of you. Step 3, be grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4,
Beautiful day.
everybody just do you say.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
Okay guys, so we just arrived. We are now here at Salting Lleida, Salta Ibola. So we are going here guys and let the kids enjoy. Haley. Okay guys, so they have this number. They have their number. And hubby also, and I also have my number here. Are you happy? Daddy, you can go. Okay guys, so we are now here at the buffet and I am waiting. Okay, I have this one for Lakota. Hello guys, so we are finishing eating. Lakota is eating her dessert and Hailey as well. Hi Hailey.
Hi.
My husband went to take also our desserts guys. So I had salad, a little bit of rice and pasta, fish. Yes, flam. This one, okay.
I l'altra és si vols podem canviar, si vols canviar.
We are home. We just arrived home and some friends are coming to see us. And my husband is going to the book club. Huh, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, guys. So I have to clean the house very fast.